Welcome to Enjoying Art. Enjoying Art community has the complete interactive learning system. We're trying to give our members the best learning experience. Now I want to give you a tour what Enjoying Art community has to offer for our members. This tour includes the following 5 sections. The first section is how to use Learning Center and Reference Library. The second one is about weekly member meetings. Third one is about how members sharing works and getting feedbacks. Following by how to sign up for special learning programs and use member discount. The last part is materials, membership, FAQs, and other information. Okay, please follow me. Let's click on Member Home. At the heart of the Enjoying Art Artist community is the Learning Center. Let's click on the Learning Center tab at the top. Inside over here, you can see all the libraries available for members that include the drawing basics, watercolor animal, watercolor landscape, portrait drawing, watercolor portrait, oil and opaque paintings, figures, pen and ink, digital art. And let's take a look at the library that I really recommend all members should go through. And that is the drawing basics. Inside over here, the latest video is stay at the top, but I suggest you go all the way down to the bottom. And you start from learning how to draw line, how to use the tools, and how to see shape, measurement, how to see light and shadow, and how to use the background to support the main objects, drawing the simple object to more and more complicated. And you can click on index on the top right corner to return back to the main page. And let's take a look at watercolor basics. I would like you to start from the bottom. We have a color mixing system by using only the 3 primary colors. And you can learn all the techniques start from the bottom and all the way to the top of the page. Let's click on the index, go back to the main page. Now I'm going to show you our watercolor landscape library. All the video lessons in our library for members, they are full lessons. And before you start learning this lesson with me, you first can one click to download the reference. See the reference link right under the image? Just click on it. And one more click again, you can right mouse click to save this image to your computer. After you download your reference, you can close this browser tab to return to the Learning Center. And then you can click on the video and start learning step by step with me. Click on the index page and then click on the dashboard. At the top of the left navigation, you see a little fire on the left hand side, Friday member meeting. Right now, we have 2 meetings scheduled on every Friday, and let's click on it. 2 meeting time, Friday 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and the 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If this is the first time here, convert this time to your local time, so you won't miss the meetings. Click on this link, you will see the video instructions, show you the website and how to convert them. At the top over here, you also see how you would join the Zoom meeting. This link will be updated every month. So make sure you come in to this page to click on it to access to the meeting. You can input the meeting ID and the passcode on your second device, like the iPhone, iPad. I will give you suggestions how to prepare for this coming painting together. Next, I want to show you how to share your work. 2 places you can share your work. One is our Discord server. One is Facebook Enjoying Art group. Discord Enjoying Art Challenges server is for our weekly painting together. If this is the first time, please use this invite to join the server. If you never have a Discord account, you might need to register your account with your email and the password, and you will be able to join us there. If you have any question, any problem, please let me know, and I will come to help you. If you're working on a personal project and you need some feedback, you can use the Facebook Enjoying Art group. This is only for Enjoying Art members to share our progress. If you want to join any available learning programs, you can click on Sign Up. From this page, as you can see the available special classes, members can enjoy the discount. Before you sign up, you can come back to dashboard, click on Member Discount and copy it. Click on the Sign Up. Okay, this is the good time for me, and this is also the good time for me. And then you can input your discount code. We have two payment processes you can use. One is directly using your credit card. You can pay directly on this page. Or you want to pay through your PayPal account. Click on Next to finish the process. In our FAQ page, you can find the information related to your membership, including the information at the time that you have to stop the membership, how you can cancel. And if you have any concerns, but you don't see the answer over here, please come to dashboard and use Ask Yong to send me an email. And I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for being part of the Enjoying Art learning community.